Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. We're going to take a couple of seconds to go over your work for the week. This is our last week of your research project. I want to stop for a second and just say thank you. You guys have been doing such great work on these projects. It has been amazing to see what you have learned and what you have come up with. And I want to thank you so much for the work that you've put in because it's really been an awesome thing to see. So here's what we're looking at for this week, guys. This is our last week of research, like I said. So to wrap up, you're going to be both presenting your projects and then doing some critiques and reflections on how your project went. All right. So if we take a look here, we have our objectives, our directions, lessons and links, and then activity for each day. You need to make sure you're going through every one of those every day to make sure you got what you need. It's very detailed and specific on each day and what you might need. Okay. So we got that. I'm going to give you just a quick overview of what you are looking at, and then each day will be more specific. So Monday and Tuesday, the 4th and 5th, you guys are going to be practicing and presenting your project using Flipgrid. There are some directions below that are going to help you with what that looks like, but you'll be able to share your screen and make a Flipgrid at the same time to show your project. Obviously, if you have a booklet or something else, you can present it here, or share your screen and show us, okay? Wednesday, you'll be looking at each other's, going through doing some peer feedback, some peer critiques on that. And then Thursday and Friday, you'll have a reflection that you're going to fill out both days. So you're going to pick a couple of questions each day and just do a nice little reflection on how it went for you, things you learned, that kind of thing. Okay. So down here, guys, these are all going to be on Google Classroom, and you see that I've indicated that on some of them. So look on Google Classroom for your work as well as this calendar. And then, of course, Flipgrid will use those 3 different interfaces this week to get your work accomplished, all right? Please let me know if you have any questions, and I cannot wait to see your projects, and I want to thank you again for your hard work.